So there you are on the SEC.gov, keeping up with companies, learning what's going on with companies, reading financial reports, all this other great stuff. But you're missing something. You're sitting back, you're saying, wow, how when I jump up in the morning, I see something, an article come from Yahoo Finance, CNBC, Market Watch, Fox Business. How they had this information before me? How did they know that Hearst was filing bankruptcy? I own Hearst stock. How did they know this? Then you go to the SEC website, then you see it. You're like, wow, okay, there's the information. How can I get that information to come to my phone or my email? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you exactly in this video how to get SEC filings sent to your email. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls all the way live from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time. So we're going to jump straight into it. Ladies and gentlemen, there you are, right? If you've been following me, I've been showing you guys and girls how to fish. And what I mean by how to fish, for the people that are just tuning in, this is your first video, it goes back to the biblical term that says, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. So what I'm all big about is showing you guys and girls how to become more self-sufficient, how to fish on your own, and learn how to fish so you can fish for a lifetime as an investor. So grab your tackle box and grab your fishing pole, and let's go on a fishing trip. So there you are, right? You got your company. Let's say if you're following Southwest Airlines, Uber, Apple, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, all these other things. And every day you wake up and you're getting this news, it's probably coming from maybe E-Trade or press release. You don't know what's going on with the company. You don't know the press releases, the SEC or whatnot. And I was that same guy. I used to go in almost every day and look up my company to see what's the latest and the greatest. Or sometimes I would hear something about a company that I'm invested in. Oh, I heard this about Southwest Airlines. Then I would go on the SEC to see what they said. But in this video or podcast, however you're catching this, I'm going to show you guys and girls exactly how to get that sent to your phone. So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, we are living in the 21st century. This is year 2020. So now this is not going to come directly to your phone. Let me put a disclaimer on that. This is going to go directly to your email. Most people these days receive their email directly to your phone. If you have Gmail or Yahoo, pretty much all major mail carriers, you can get that directly to your phone. So if somebody sends you an email, it can go directly to your phone. So that's what I mean by getting it sent directly to your phone. So let's take a company like Uber or Apple. Let's take a company like Apple. We're going to go to Google. Now you're here at your handy dandy Google. You're going to go to Uber Investor Relations. Type in Uber Investor Relations. Right here on the Uber Investor Relations, go to Investor Relations. Now that you're on the Investor Relations, let's go to Financials. Now here's your financials. Let's go to SEC filings. Now you're on the SEC filings. Let's say, hey, you know what? Sign up for email alerts. when you click on it, you're going to say, I want to receive press releases, every press release that Uber does. I also want to receive the SEC filings that Uber does. And I don't really care about the events, but if you did, you can click that too. Then type in your handy dandy email right here. Boom. Type in your email, click the arrow. Now it's going to ask me to fill out this little, what do they call these little things, to make sure I'm not some type of bot, I guess. So you fill that out. Boom, here you go. Thank you for signing up for the mailing list, and an activation email will be sent to you shortly. So now I go to my email, and once I click onto when I go into my email, every time Uber sends an SEC filing, Every time they submit an SEC filing or they do a press release, it's coming directly to my phone because it's going directly to my email. So as soon as the quarterly report come out, boom, I get it on my phone. A press release come out, boom, I get it on my phone. Now you say, Prince, well, this works for every single major company. Let's try it with Apple. We're back on Google. Let's type in Apple. Since I spell it right, Apple Investor Relations. Boom. I love saying boom for some reason. But let's go to SEC filings. Here we have Apple's SEC filings, right? Oh, look what it says. Subscribe to SEC filings email alert. So look, I want to receive their SEC alerts. I want to get their insider transactions, and I want to get their quarterly reports. Type in your email. Click subscribe. Now, of course, it's going to ask us to make sure we're not a machine just around here, I guess stealing information or automating robots. Boom, right there. It says that, I don't know, it clicked kind of fast, but right there it is. Email alert, sign up confirmation. Thank you for signing up for our mailing list, and activation email will be sent to you shortly. Then I go to my email. Then, boom, I'm looking at my phone right now. I have an email confirmation from, what happened there? I would just look at my email, kind of threw me for a loop. But right there in my email, it's asking me to confirm my email. So now I have, I'm going to get all the SEC filings for Apple and Uber coming directly to my phone. So this is how, if you have a major company out there that's publicly traded, you can go to whatever company is, go to McDonald's Investor Relations. When you get onto McDonald's Investor Relations, go to the SEC filings. When you go to the SEC filings, go to sign up for email alerts to receive press releases, SEC filings. Every time McDonald's releases a press release, every time it releases the SEC about its finances, you're going to get it coming directly to your phone, so you don't have to keep going to the sec.gov. You don't have to rely off of, oh, what did this podcast? I heard about this on a podcast. I heard about this from CSNBC. I heard about this from Yahoo Finance. I heard about this from Fox Business. No, you can get it coming directly to your phone, making you a better investor. I hope this helped you out, guys and girls. If it did, give me a thumbs up and say, Prince, thanks for taking me fishing. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. And until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out. Thank you.